Hi student, this is the before question, it is a continuation. Now again here I am explaining from the beginning here in this session. Now you see that before we did any points given, we can find parabolic equation. If it is x-axis, it is y-axis, different formulas you can apply. Now here one parabolic equation is given. Now you have to find out how we can find out the focus and vortex line, the equation of the directrix, something we can find from this. Some model is there. Now you have to observe here. It is the what you call here given equation is what's that? Find the focus and vertex and equation of directrix and length of the lattice rectangle other parabola. Now here y square minus x plus 4 plus 5 equals 0. So this value, it is x is equate, it is what is a parallel to x axis and y axis. How we can find out this parallel to x axis or y axis? Here x quotient is there. If it is x quotient is there, in this is that this is a parallel to this x axis on this. Parallel to the x axis means what? You can draw from this one parallel to x axis. It is x quotient is there. If it is x quotient is there, x one is in it. Y square, y is a square term is there. So it's a parallel to x axis only. Now here in the square terms only perfect square you have to come find the perfect square of this equation, apply the conditions. So given equation is y square minus x plus 4y plus 5 equals 0. So this is y square plus 4y plus this value 5 we can write as 4 plus 1 also we can write. So these three values y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to this one is sent to that side. This x also sent to that side. So x minus 1 this is. So this is y square plus 4y plus 4 only. So this value we can write as y plus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 1. So equate what is the parallel to this x axis means what? Parallel to the x axis is y minus k whole square is equal. This is the y minus k whole square. So it is equal to the parallel to this x-axis in this value is y minus 2 y minus k whole square equal 4 and x minus h. That model only you have to convert into this. So this value y plus 2 whole square equal x minus 1. So this is y minus k means what? Minus of minus 2 we can write this is. So in the place of k equal minus 2, here x minus h means h equal minus 1 only, h equal 1 only, 4a equal to 1 a equal 1 by 4. So from this equation we can find h value, k value and a value. From these values we can find vertex, focus, and equation of the directrix. We know that formulas if it is parallel to this x-axis, vertex is h comma k only. What is the value of this h comma k? 1 comma minus 2 only. This is focus means h plus a comma k. H plus a means these are formulas. So h plus a means 1 plus 1 by 4 comma minus 2, 1 plus 1 by 4 means 4 1 4 plus 1 5 by 4 comma minus 2. It's a focus on the equation of directrix means what? X equal h minus a only. H is 1 only, 1 minus 1 by 4. Of the simplification x equal 3 by 4 or 4x equal 3 also we can write. This is the equation of the directrix. Now length of the lattice rectangle means what? 4 into 1 by 4. So 4 into 1 by 4 is a 1. Is the solution of this when the equation is given. So from this we have some fundamentals are there. You have to convert into the fundamental. First you have to find out which it is equal to x-axis. It is a parallel to x-axis or y-axis. You have to observe that. You have to find out first of all. First observe from this observation of this equation we can find easily we can recognize that it is a parallel to x-axis or y-axis. I told before if it is x quotient is that is a parallel to x-axis. If it is y quotient y value is there only y single y. It is a y-axis x value is there. This is a parallel to x-axis. If it is y value, there is a parallel to y-axis. Otherwise, we can recognize from that also what is the condition. If it is y square, means this is a parallel to x-axis. If it is x square, it is there. It is a parallel to y-axis only. That is. So from that conditions, we can recognize that which is the parallel to this equation. From that perfect square, you have to find out it is equal to this x minus h. Suppose if it is parallel to this y-axis, means what? X minus h. It is x-axis. It is parallel to x-axis. Y minus k whole square equal to 4 and x minus h. If it is parallel to this y-axis, x minus h whole square equal to 4 and y minus k only. Using that conditions, you know that what is the vertex, what is the focus, what is that equation of directrix, everything we can find from this formulas. Okay. So next, let's explain next is in this is only this one.